Hello, One Crafty Bay here. Today I'm going to show you how I made DIY Hermione Wands. The tools that I used for this project were glue gun, glue sticks, a jar to hold your wet chopsticks, brown paint, metallic gold, metallic silver, and bamboo chopsticks. Normally I use wooden dowels, but I just happened to have a lot of chopsticks and I thought, hey, why not? Starting with the flat side of the chopstick, kind of swirl your glue all the way down in one long motion. And when you get about 2/3 of the way down, you can stop. And then from there, you're going to use your thumbnail to kind of leave an imprint. You just kind of stick it in there. It's hot, so be careful. And wait till it dries, and then you pull your thumbnail out, and then you have these little leafy patterns. And now you just keep adding new squigglies, and at the end of each squiggly you stick your thumbnail, the tip of your thumbnail in, and you just repeat this until you feel like you've got a nice viney leafy thing going on. I stick each chopstick in the jar to dry, and I do all my gluing first and then move on to paint. I used brown paint for the base, but if you can tell from the wand on the right, I actually used a lighter color that was more honey-toned. But you could use anything. You could be outrageous and go hot pink, or use Ravenclaw blue, whatever tickles you. Paint half the chopstick, stick it in your jar to dry. When it's dried, flip it over and paint the other side. Next, I use metallic silver. Here I don't even use a paintbrush. I just grab a paper towel, kind of smudge it on, and then not too heavy. You just kind of want to lightly brush it up and down the chopstick, and it'll give your wand a nice finish. And then on the tip of it, I do give it a little dab with the silver because it just makes it more magical, right? Like a little burst of magic is coming out. Grab your gold paint and basically rinse, wash, repeat. And now you're ready to cast your favorite Hermione spells. In our house, we probably use Petrificus Totalis the most. How about you? Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and YouTube at One Crafty Bay. In my next giveaway, I'll have 8 Hermione Wands, so don't forget to follow me. Thanks, bye!